Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to bookmark a particular post on the Mastodon application that you want to find later on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to the home page by clicking on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Select an article and tap on the or a post, and click on the more button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then click on bookmark. Now go to your account or profile by clicking on your avatar down below in the right side corner of the screen. Go to the top, and here you have the bookmark icon. Tap on it, and here you have the bookmarked posts. If you want to remove it, click on the more button again and tap on remove bookmark so that it will be removed from this section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.